Welcome to the Mobil Trend channel. Subscribe now.
From time to time, we tell you about the latest tuning package from the folks at Hondata, such as the one that makes your turbo Civic more powerful than a Civic C, or the one that shuts up critics who say the C isn't powerful enough, or the one that winds up your 2018 Accord with more torque than a Type R. We've told you what it's like to drive these tunes. And all of that has been building up to this. Hondata on Thursday released its tune of the Honda Civic Type R itself. For starters, a reminder that a stock Type R is specified as making 306 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Here's a dynamometer graph showing a stock Type R versus a car programmed with a 93-octane tune. Note that the stock Type R's output was better than advertised. So that puts total output of the Hondata flashed car at 364 horsepower and 404 pound-feet.